Alright, what do we got here? What are you doing? What the hell kind of size is this? Oh. There we get all this mess. There we go. I already broke it. I already broke the wires on it. Damn it, Jimmy. Yeah, those just break off. Alright, got this mess off. Man, this thing's bolted from the bottom? Come on, man. Trying to get the screw out of this ignition module. They bolted it through the bottom of the damn fender well. There we go. Alright, let's get this ignition module out. There's one of the bolts. 11:30 seconds. Alright, there we go. Now we're loose. It's got the blue ignition module in it. The ignition module. Look at that. That's why I'm replacing it. And I'm gonna have to cut these, I guess. I got some new one of these. Here we've got our distributor plug and we got our coil wire. The coil is going to run all the way over here. Yeah, snap in. Distributor, it's going to snap in right there. Okay. Alright. Now we got a 4 plug, which is this one that I need to put back on there. I don't care if it destroys it. I just want it out of there. There we go. Goodness, look at that. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Get it figured out. I'll get it figured out. I need to get all my connectors and my wiring and all that and the instructions to make sure I hook this stuff up right. I gotta get a new ignition module. And then we'll come back to it. Bye now, bye!